Governor of Edo State, Senator Okpebholo, don't encourage students for Edo State, say make them learn with curiosity, passion, and strive for excellence for their academic work. The chairman of the State Universal Basic Education Board, SUBEB, Barrister Onome Goodness Bridge, talked this one as she delivered the governor's goodwill message when she did distribute school bags to junior secondary school 1 student of St. Maria Goroti Junior Secondary School for Benin City. Barrister Bridge Konya say Beleswita Awela as she thanked MTN Foundation for their kind gesture and the way they give school bags to the students.
Deeply grateful to stand before you today as the executive chairman of Edo SUBEB to express my gratitude, my appreciation to the MTN Foundation. Thank you for their generosity and their donation to learning materials to our GSS1 student here at St. Maria Goroti School. This kind gesture is a testament to MTN Foundation commitment to supporting education and empowering our young minds. These learning materials will undoubtedly enhance the teaching and learning experience, providing our students with the tools they need to succeed. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the MTN Foundation for their investment in our children. Your contribution is a shining example to corporate social responsibility and a demonstration of your organization's dedication to giving back to her community. To our students, this is a message from His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, the Executive Governor of Edo State, that he encourages you all to make the most of these resources, to learn with curiosity and passion, and to strive for excellence in all that you do. And also to our donor, our governor says a big thank you for your support to his big dreams for education in Edo State, which is education for all child, and that no child is left out. I also want to say a big thank you to you on behalf of the wife of the deputy governor. She really appreciates your kind gesture. Once again, I thank you, the MTN Foundation, for your kindness and generosity. I also want to thank the wife of the deputy governor, our mother, my sister, the wife of the deputy governor of our state, Ambassador Mrs. Osaretin Idahosa, for this initiative. She bettered and she also brought to limelight. So let us say a big thank you to our mother and my sister. Say thank you, Mommy. Thank you to every esteemed staff member and teachers. Thank you, Principal. And thank you to my students. Thank you.
Senior Manager Sales and Distribution for MTN, Alabi Olaniyi, wey talk on behalf of the company, come talk say the program na to help empower students with learning materials to support and prepare them for success. E come also talk say MTN go continue to support all education-related activities to help develop the sector. Olaniyi come hand over the school materials to the school management for them to give the students. The principal of the school, Madam Dora, come thank the donors for choosing St. Maria Goroti Junior Secondary School to benefit from the gesture. She come also thank Governor Monday Okpebholo for the educational policy where they help improve education for the state.
Our profound gratitude goes to our executive chairman, Mrs. Bridge, who deemed it necessary to come here today to be with us and also to represent Her Excellency, the Deputy Brass Lady of Edo State. We say a big thank you to you all. Our warmest appreciation goes to MTN management, our donors, who are here present with us today. Thank you all for your generosity. This is an opportunity to commend the efforts of the government, of our state government, which through its policy of education for all, has made schooling compulsory for all children in Edo State. This initiative will encourage and facilitate the schooling of children, especially the most disadvantaged among them. We assure you that we are going to make the best use of this learning material. Thank you.
The May event now when Barrister Bridge, the chairman of SUBEB, distribute bags to some of the students. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.